Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 10 to 1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seating, rear seat entertainment by MOPAR, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90816A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.